Hello, South Marshall Middle School families. This is Shannon Solomon, the principal of South Marshall Middle School. We are excited to get this school year started. We realize there are a lot of unanswered questions and decisions that are being made by our district that we do not have the answers to yet. I will definitely keep you posted as we move forward with those decisions. However, I did want to talk to you about open houses. Those are coming up next week, and those should not change. And the way we have those set up should not change no matter the decisions that are made by our district or what returning to school looks like. Open houses are as followed: August 19th, 8th grade from 1 o'clock till 6 o'clock, August 20th, 7th grade from 1 o'clock till 6 o'clock, and August 21st, 6th grade from 1 o'clock to 6 o'clock. We ask that you do come on your child's grade level night. We realize that some families have multiple students in multiple grade levels. It would be great if you could come on your child a couple of different times with each of your children. However, we do realize that is an inconvenience and will work around you. But if possible, please come with one child on their particular grade night. We do ask that only one parent or guardian come with each child and that both wear a mask. When you come to open houses, you will park and enter the front door. You can park down by our gym and walk down the front of the school to the sidewalk, or to the left side parking lot and then come down the sidewalk. There should be plenty of parking. When you come, we have some picnic tables set up. There may be a small wait outside as we can only allow so many in the building, but there'll be people out there to help facilitate and get you some information outside before you even start open house. You will then come in and pick up your child's schedule. After that, you'll be directed to go to the device checkout hallway, which is our 200 hallway. You will pick up your child's device, and traffic will be moving one direction, where you will exit the back door, come back around the outside back door, and enter and pay student fees. You will then come down the 300 hallway and then loop around to the 400 hallway. You will be directed into classrooms where we will have a presentation to help you understand what learning will look like, whether it's in person or virtual, some academic expectations that we have for our learning this year, and different ways and platforms that you can log in. Your child will also have the opportunity to log into their Chromebook and make sure everything is working fine. After that, you can exit the end hallway towards the bus loop, come back around. The nurse, school bus drivers, and youth service center will be available in the gym if you need to talk with one of them. If you are a family that has not completed your online registration, we will have some computers set up in the cafeteria and someone there to assist you. After that, you will exit the school through the car rider door. Again, traffic will flow one direction, and all of these different things will be taken care of at open house night. It will not matter if we all go virtual, if we are in person, if we are a combination of both. Again, whatever our district decides, open houses will remain the same. We do ask that you are patient with us. As the time frame is large and one grade level each night, we hope will be enough to spread out our families to adhere to CDC guidelines. However, we are not for sure exactly how that will run. So be patient. If you do have to spend some time waiting outside or waiting in your car, we hope that that doesn't happen. But again, be patient with us. We think we have this set up where you can take care of all of your needs and get a lot of your questions answered this evening. We are looking forward to next week and seeing our students. So thank you for taking the time to listen, and I hope that is some information that is helpful. Thank you.